All right, welcome back, guys. You might say Wade with a big smile on his face. Is that we have questions? We have so many questions. All right. If you haven't heard, PSG star Ander Herrera robbed in Paris after prostitute enters his car at a red light and took his wallet and phone. All right. I have so many questions. The headline they
So
even
many questions. So many questions.
so many questions. What were you doing there, Ander? All
You
right,
were not thinking.
yeah, but let's get into the article. All right. So PSG midfielder Ander Herrera was robbed in the French capital on Tuesday night after a lady of the night reportedly entered his car. Just jump in your car, so I don't know. All right. So the 32-year-old was waiting at a red light in the Bois de Boulogne. I
I
just
think it's
slaughtered it.
Boulogne.
Or Boulogne. We just slaughtered it,
Yeah.
but we move on. Public park. He was parked by a public park, Zid, located in the west side of Paris when the incident took place. Le Parisien reported that the prostitute entered the car of the unnamed PSG player, but you guys named it. Took his wallet and phone, which were in the passenger compartment. So it's such a comfortable to reach all in the glove box, bro.
Exactly.
What's good?
That's my whole.
She
That's
invite
another
herself
one
in
of the
and just
questions.
jump in your glove box.
You know,
No
because
man.
I
So,
mean, under isn't under a happily married man. How am I going to explain this? It's not like him can say, "Boy, wifey, she did see me. She's a fan. She wanted an autograph." Wifey probably said, "Yeah, but she want to use your pen." Am I pen that?
stop
What
it!
you do?
Stop it! Stop it! Yeah, bro. If we don't believe it, wife and I gonna believe it, bro. You know what I mean? You don't believe it, you need more people, bro. You know what I mean? I'm not trying to mash up your life, bro, but you have to come with a better story, bro.
But here the
Might
thing
as well
though.
they never call the police and just call it a day.
That is
Cancel
exactly
the
that is,
card.
and that leads me to question number few for me.
Yeah.
Under, right? You're
Yeah.
a big PSG baller, right? £2,000 and a cell phone is nothing to you.
It wasn't
Why are
2,000
you
pounds, it was
reporting
about
that?
200, it's all about 200 pounds.
£200? Listen,
Or euro or something like, you know them spend over there.
you just buy a new phone and you tell nobody. When I ask something on the phone, blast it. Understand? I don't know where it there. Yeah? You don't tell nobody. Nobody knows about
Yo,
this.
this
Are
is
you mad? Right? You don't, and not to say we have much experience in backroad activities, but I
yeah.
am sure when a regular man traverses backroad activities, he doesn't really tell people
Yeah.
about these activities. And
What is he doing there, bro?
he's
And
he's
you don't have
really
to be there.
he's
And
really following his old team's example and just taking L's. You see me?
all right,
That,
all right,
that is
all
a
right, all right. Be
major
nice, though. Be nice, be nice, be nice.
L. High five. You see me?
All right. But there seems to be a problem with the PSG players in terms of them being targeted or victims of because this fun and joke aside, we recall Di Maria being a victim of a home invasion,
Yeah.
probably the second home invasion because it happened again it happened firstly I think in Manchester, and then it happened in Paris again.
Right.
Um,
Yes.
yeah.
I
So
know
this
that.
is the
Yeah. I
second.
know definitely. It happened in Manchester.
Yeah, so this is the second time now we're hearing of a PSG player being mixed up in some kind of robbery attempt or something like that. Um, Bearing in mind, Di Maria's situation was way more serious,
Right.
and more sinister. This is to me is just
This is recklessness. This is carelessness.
reckless,
Yeah.
and the story don't
You,
add up, bro. You
you
know what I
know,
mean?
you don't allow. First of all, if you Google this park
Mm,
that the incident happened,
yeah,
you will see pictures of prostitutes there because it's a regular area for that, right? We're
okay.
not going to say Anda was actually going there to make a purchase, but you're in a notoriously bad area. What is your windows doing down? You
Or your
know?
door even open.
or your door even open. There's too much. This is just, and he can't explain it. It's reckless and
Yeah, and the funny thing
$2,000.
is, people romanticize Paris. You know, Paris is a rough city, bro.
What were you doing?
Yeah, man. So
You know,
in conclusion, big wrong bang that, and
big wrong bang.
big wrong bang. Good
Big
thing
wrong
that
bang.
nobody never get hurt. Fun and joke aside,
Side, yeah.
because he was directed to go to another location to get back him things, and I think he probably had to pay to get them back or something like that.
Okay.
So he could have been led into danger. So he may eventually end up call the police now. So that's how all of this end up in the media. Thank God it never get worse. Because we could have hear say, yo, well, look for him, prostitute, take him, take him where, or set him up or something. Guys, when you are a certain status, when you're famous, you're easily recognized.
You're a target.
Well, even when you're not, bro, carry yourself like a man. You know what I mean? You just doing the certain things, bro. Leave out certain things.
Or
I mean?
if you're gonna do them thing there, roll with Kolasinac. Because you know him. He's like security.
Alright, guys. Remember, like, subscribe, and let us know what you think about this one. Do you believe this story? Or just let me know what you think. Because I have no words. You know what I mean? We'll see you next time.